damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and... Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're jumping into the world of the Barbie color reveal, and this is series 2 of the Mermaid color reveal. They have the super rare can, the purple one, green one, orange one, red one, looks like purple one. I just picked this up just to see, and I did open it. So it is open, but this is the top, and this is what the top is giving. So you can see it's just like a blue, and these tops are reusable. So just so you guys know in advance, I will be doing the color change. Yes, I know some of you are probably surprised, but yes, I'm gonna do it. All right, and in there you can see some other surprises. It's like she has a total of 4 surprises. And this is the little checklist, so you can see who else is in the series. But it could also serve as a little poster, like if you're making a doll room. So let's reveal the doll. Yes. And it looks like we have the orange mermaid. Now this is actually my very first color reveal where we actually have to do it this way with the dipping and the liquid. So this is her face sculpt, and this is straight out of the packaging. She is so pretty. I want you guys to get into this beauty factor. Yes, get into this beauty factor. Now I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking of rebodying her. I really am, because I'm loving this face sculpt, and I'm loving the hair against the skin tone. We can already see some tattoos along her arms. So I'm already seeing some things that, you know, make me want to check out the doll. Alright, so it looks like this is her tail, and it's so beautiful. It reminds me of a goldfish, how the goldfish have those tails that kind of flare out a little bit. Now you are going to have to like kind of work it out so that it flares out properly. Alright, and it looks like she comes with this little brush that can also be a makeup applicator. Right, and this is her headband, which matches her tattoos. It's the sun and the clouds. It's kind of like Callie Storm. It's like her last accessories are these arm gauntlets. Water inside, we can actually see her go through her transformatic. So right here on the side, you guys can see the droplet. That's where you fill the water to. So what we're going to do now is completely submerge her body, and we're going to leave her hair out of the water. So it's very pretty, I'm noticing. It's very interesting. Let's go for that closer look. So I don't know, it looks like it's a lot of shimmery activity, and it looks like things are starting to fade away a little bit, if you guys are seeing that. You see that? Oh my gosh. It's almost like an experiment a little bit. This is so interesting. So how am I supposed to get all of her? Right now I have her completely submerged. You can see, oh, okay, so her real tail is starting to shine through. So the real tail is gonna look like the accessories and the things like that she has. This is amazing. I should have been gotten into this, but the thing about me is I don't like doubles. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's coming together. The thing about me is, like, I would love to get everyone in the series, but I would want to know who I'm purchasing. So I'm probably not going to run out to get anyone else. I may get someone in a secondary market, but I just want to know who I'm getting. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Look at this. And I thought I was going to have to shake it up or something like that. No, this is very amazing right now. This looks good. And I'm just going to dunk her, and rinse her. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Oh my god. So now I'm just going to completely rinse her out and dry her off, and then we're going to come back. We have Miss Sunshine all out of the little color reveal packaging, and here she is. So let's attach her tail, which I believe goes right in there like that. And it's not actually flared out, but this is kind of what it would look like. Flared out a little bit. We can see what she's giving with her crown on, and we can put her arm gauntlets on. So looking over this doll, I'm so happy that I made the purchase. Right now these are going for $14. She looks so pretty. Like, I cannot get over her hair, her skin tone. She looks good. Now my original thoughts was to rebody her because I really want to dress her in different things. Now if I'm going to give her a rebody, I have to find out what her skin tone is. So today on camera, we're going to look through some dolls. Do I see a match? This could almost work. She could be a curvy girl. Ballerina Barbie, I thought maybe she could be a ballerina, but the ballerina is a little lighter. I don't know if you guys will see it on camera, but it almost looks the same. It could work, but the ballerina is like a shade lighter, so I don't know. Let's see how she looks with the tall body sculpt. It's a little light like the other one, but it could work if we wanted to make her tall. One of the Barbie fashionista bodies. This girl is a little bit darker. It's gonna be too dark as well, yeah. Then we have this Nikki doll. And if we bring Nikki up close, this actually looks like a really good match. We're gonna be right back. So we're back, and I would say that the swap went well. So now we can say we have a Nikki of the Sea doll. Nikki is now representative of the sea. I don't like that you can't really flare out this tail. Maybe if I was to put it in the water and then it'll flare out, but I'm not really liking that. But it does look like, as you guys can see, this was actually a good swap. So it looks like Nikki is now Nikki of the Sea. Miss Sunshine on a whole new body, and it looks good, honey. Now it's not made to move. I didn't have any made to moves laying around. But what I'm gonna do now is get her completely redressed. We're gonna bring in some other of the color reveal dolls, and I'm just gonna share my final thoughts. We'll be right back. So as you can see, she still has the head sculpt in her headband, but I decided to put on her that Barbie sweatsuit we got, I believe last year. So this is that, and these are the shoes I paired it up with. So just a little cute look. I did come up with this other look, but I figured I wanted her to be a little bit comfy for the review. So what I have to say positive about the doll is that it really is a fun experience. I want everyone to realize that, like, it really is a fun experience. I was never that drawn to, you know, the color reveals because I was like, I don't know, it might get messy, which we're going to go over that because as you can see, some of it is still in my hands. So just know that there is a mess factor, and I'm an adult, okay? This is an adult collector. So I'm bringing in the other Barbie reveals I have because I want to just do a quick discussion. You know me. So I want to discuss, the kitty can't get enough of Miss Sunshine, but I guess the cat's attracted to the mermaids. But something else I want to discuss is the hair quality. For some reason, these earlier ones have like drier hair. And this one, her hair isn't as dry as theirs, but her hair isn't as good as this girl. Now, Miss Sunshine, the Sunshine Mermaid, she is something about her hair quality that's above everyone else. And I didn't bowl wash it. I didn't get it wet. I don't want you guys to think I did anything, but like just straight out of packaging, you can feel the quality of difference in their hairs. So I don't know if it's just from doll to doll, or maybe they were made and produced at different factories, but I can say I like it. I like the good hair. Now, some cons about the doll is, of course, the biggest one is that you don't know who you're going to get unless you've mastered those codes. The codes are out there for those looking. Should I show you guys the code on mine? I already threw it away. Sorry, guys. Overall, I'm happy to have her in my collection. I think she's so pretty. And I'm happy to have her. Now, will I take a chance on another one? Let's see. Out of this lineup, who would I want besides Miss Sunshine? I think I would definitely want the boy, but I don't know if I'm going to find him. Maybe Miss Peace, the one with the green hair. This one, maybe her. You know? But I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember this. Have fun with your dolls, you know. I'm having a lot of fun with her. I've rebodied her. You know, I've given Nicole a new outlook on life. I love it, Callie. I'm swimming deep. Yes, she loves her new body. We have Miss Kitty back there from the Barbie Cutie reveal, which now they've actually made it so that we will actually know who we're getting. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!